Hi guys, now we are going to discuss the shortcut of system information. Let's start. Normally, if we want to know the system information details, we have to go to my computer, this PC, right click over this. So here we will get all the system details. So instead of doing all these things, there's a shortcut in the command prompt. Just go to the shortcut and just go to the command prompt and type the command system info. That's it. It will display all the system information in one shot. Laptop details, configuration, what is the driver capacity and each of the drives created, what is the Wi-Fi connection, everything. What are the VMwares installed, all the system details it will be displayed. So use this shortcut. Thank you guys.